Today we will learn how to make full coin cell. So we need separator, graphite onto the copper foil, and cathode material NMC onto the aluminum foil. First we will take the negative casing for negative side. Then we will place our anode. This is graphite coated onto the copper foil, acting as anode. We will not use lithium foil in full coin cell. Then we will take the separator with 19 mm diameter, align the separator and place the electrolyte, put the electrolyte to make it wet. So then we will use the positive electrode, which is NMC in case of lithium ion battery, which is coated onto the aluminum foil, and its diameter is slightly small, which is about 15 mm, whereas for graphite it's 16 mm. Then we will put the spacer. Since both anode and cathode are on to the thin copper and aluminum foil, so we will put two spacers, align them very well. Then we will place the final component, which is a spring, before closing the cell. Finally we will use the positive casing and align and gently press to close the cell. So we have make three. So this is how it looks like, but it's unsealed. You cannot use. First you have to seal or crimp it. So make at least 3 or 4 or 5 cells for each composition. They are ready for crimping. Make at least 3. So this is the crimping machine. Nowadays many crimping machines are digital, but this is old one. This is the die where we will place our coin cell. And take the coin cell, place the coin cell onto the die, positive casing facing the lower die and negative casing facing the upper die. Align it at the center. Careful, this alignment is very important. Then close the pressure since it's old crimping machine. Then apply the pressure of about 750 psi is enough, and we can check this pressure from this needle. So we have to apply this pressure for about 4 seconds. Then you have to release the pressure so that die may come down and we will be able to get out our coin cell. So now the coin cell is out from the die and it's already sealed. So you can see it's already sealed and it's ready for the testing. So thank you very much.